P block element 2, nitric acid preparation. We know the molecular formula for nitric acid is HNO3, in which nitrogen is plus 5 oxidation state. How nitric acid is prepared? Nitric acid, preparation of nitric acid. First method of preparation, nitric acid is prepared by heating equal amounts of potassium or sodium nitrate with concentrated sulfuric acid. Potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate. We studied that sodium nitrate is also called silly saltpeter and potassium nitrate KNO3 is called Indian saltpeter. With the concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, KNO3 plus H2SO4 loss 1H from sulfuric acid combined with the nitrate form nitric acid with the loss of potassium bisulfate. The temperature is kept as low as possible to avoid decomposition of nitric acid. So this point is very important. If the temperature is high, nitric acid undergo decomposition and give oxides of nitrogen, nitrogen dioxide, H2O and O2. Therefore, in this preparation, the temperature is kept as low as possible to avoid the decomposition of nitric acid. The acid condenses to a fuming liquid. The acid is formed in vapor state. That vapor HNO3 on cooling, on condensing, gives fuming liquid. Fuming liquid means புகையுடைய liquid, which is colored brown by the presence of a little nitrogen dioxide, which is formed due to the decomposition of nitric acid. So nitric acid undergo decomposition, produce nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen, due to the production of nitrogen dioxide, the color of the fume is brown in color. Now HNO3 undergo decomposition gives nitrogen dioxide, 2H2O and 1O2. We will explain how these reactions takes place. And commercial method of preparation, large scale preparation of nitric acid or industrial preparation of nitric acid by Ostwald process. Nitric acid prepared in large scale using Ostwald process. In this method, ammonia from Haber's process is mixed about 10 times of air, excess of air. Why excess of air is used in this process? I will explain. This mixture, what is that mixture? Ammonia plus 10 times of air. This mixture is preheated and passed into the catalyst chamber where they come in contact with the platinum gas. Platinum kambivalai, that's the platinum gas. So the mixture of ammonia and 10 times of air is preheated and passed into the catalyst chamber where they come in contact with the platinum gas. The temperature rises to about 1275 Kelvin and the metallic gas, platinum gas, brings about the rapid catalytic oxidation of ammonia, resulting in the formation of NO, nitric oxide, which then oxidizes to nitrogen dioxide. Actually, these three reactions are important. First reaction is Haber's process of manufacture of ammonia. Ammonia is manufactured from nitrogen and hydrogen in the presence of iron catalyst and potassium oxide, alumina, K2O and Al2O3 are used to attain the equilibrium quickly. In the Haber's process, molybdenum is used as a promoter. So this ammonia is mixed with 10 times of air, oxygen, and passed into the catalytic chamber which containing platinum catalyst, platinum gas. From ammonia, nitrogen undergo oxidation gives nitric oxide, hydrogen undergo oxidation gives water molecule. Nitric oxide is neutral in nature. We know neutral oxide with water does not give an acid and base. We are preparing nitric acid. Therefore, we already take an excess amount of air, 10 times of air. Therefore, nitric oxide formed again undergo oxidation gives nitrogen dioxide Nitrogen dioxide acidic in nature, therefore the nitrogen dioxide produced is passed through a series of adsorption tower. It reacts with water to give nitric acid. Because nitrogen dioxide is acidic in nature, acidic oxide, when acidic oxide dissolved in water, it forms an acid. Nitric acid formed is bleached by blowing air. Air உள்ள blow பண்ணி nitric acid விழுக்கிறோம். So the reaction nitrogen dioxide when dissolved in water H2O gives nitric acid plus NO, nitric oxide again is obtained and water molecule. So we have only two methods of preparation. One is from sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate, another one is from commercial method of preparation, that is Ostwald process. Now we are going to see how these reactions are takes place, how to balance these reactions. Now we are going to see preparation of nitric acid. First preparation, sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate. We know sodium nitrate, nitrate valency 1, sodium valency also 1. So in class if you write sodium valency is written here, nitrate valency is written here. Sodium nitrate is called silly saltpeter, silly saltpeter, and potassium nitrate KNO3 is called Indian saltpeter. So see the name, NaNO3 is called silly saltpeter, and potassium nitrate, potassium is also alkali metal, both the valencies are 1, gives, it is also called Indian saltpeter. First method of preparation of nitric acid, potassium nitrate KNO3 when mixed with equal amount of sulfuric acid H2SO4, H2SO4, it containing a H plus ion and HSO4 minus ion, K plus ion NO3. We are preparing nitric acid, H plus combined with NO3 minus form nitric acid HNO3 plus loss of KHSO4, potassium bisulfate or potassium hydrogen sulfate. This is our nitric acid. Second method of preparation is commercial process, Ostwald process of manufacture of nitric acid, Ostwald process of manufacture of nitric acid. So here nitric acid is prepared from ammonia, ammonia obtained by Haber's process NH3. This ammonia is obtained by Haber's process. In Haber's process, what happens, how this ammonia is obtained? N2 mixed with H2, it is an equilibrium reaction, heated in the presence of catalyst ion. In this reaction, molybdenum is used as a promoter, potassium oxide and aluminum oxide is used to attain the equilibrium quickly. Nitrogen react with the hydrogen form ammonia NH3. 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. On number, even number. Order தூக்கி முன்னாடி போடுங்க, even தூக்கி முன்னாடி போடுங்க. Hydrogen is balanced. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. So ammonia is obtained by Haber's process. This ammonia NH3 is mixed with 10 times of air, O2, 10 types of air, excess of air, and this mixture is preheated and passed through a catalytic chamber which containing platinum gas, platinum cumbivali. This catalyst bring about the oxidation of ammonia. Nitrogen undergo oxidation gives nitric oxide, hydrogen undergo oxidation gives water molecule. It is an equilibrium reaction. In ammonia, nitrogen oxidation state is -3, and in nitric oxide, oxygen oxidation state -2 in all the cases except peroxide. Therefore, nitrogen oxidation state is +2. When you move from left to right, the oxidation state of nitrogen increases, therefore it is called oxidation. This platinum gas carry this oxidation. Now how to balance this reaction? I already told that if a chemical reaction containing O2 in molecular state, we can balance this equation by fractional method. In fractional method, first step is we have to balance other elements except oxygen. Other elements we have to balance. What are the other elements present in this equation? Apart from oxygen, we have nitrogen and hydrogen. So first balance nitrogen and hydrogen. 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Odd number, even number. Even தூக்கி இதுக்கு முன்னாடி போடுங்க, odd தூக்கி அதுக்கு முன்னாடி போடுங்க. Hydrogen is balanced. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. Nitrogen also balanced. Now second step, count the number of oxygen atom opposite to the O2. Count the number of oxygen atom. Number of oxygen atom, which side? Opposite side of O2. எங்க molecular oxygen இருக்கோ அதுக்கு opposite sideல உள்ள oxygen count பண்ணி பாருங்க. 5 oxygen. So left hand side also we require 5 oxygen. Here there is no oxygen. So now ask a question. Here we have 2, therefore we require 5. 2 into dash equal to 5. 2 into 5 by 2 equal to 5. 2 into 5 by 2 equal to 5. The equation is balanced. To avoid the fraction, to avoid the denominator quantity, denominator we have to, the whole equation is multiplied by 2. So we get 4NH3. When you multiply the whole equation by 2 to cancel this 2. 5 by 2 into 2, 5O2. In presence of platinum catalyst, 4NO plus 6H2O. So this is the second step in which nitric oxide is obtained. Nitric oxide is a neutral oxide which does not undergo reaction with water, gives acid and base. Therefore already we take an oxygen in excess quantity. This nitric oxide NO again undergo oxidation, gives an acetic oxide of nitrogen, nitrogen dioxide. 2 nitrogen, 4 oxygen. This is nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide is acetic oxide. Therefore, the acetic oxide when dissolved in water form an acid. All non-metallic oxides are acidic oxide. Acidic oxide when dissolved in water form an acid with the liberation of again nitric oxide and water molecule H2O. So this is the reaction used in the preparation of nitric acid, and the second method is Ostwald process. How many nitrogens we have? Here we have nitrogen, there nitrogen, oxygen 3 plus 1 equal to 4, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So when you balance, number may be changed. This is 6 nitrogen atom. How to balance? 4 plus 2 equal to 6 nitrogen atom. How many oxygens we have? Hydrogen and oxygens are 6. Now 3 into 2 are 6 hydrogen. 4 plus 2 equal to 6 hydrogen. Oxygen 6 into 2 are 12 plus 3 equal to 15. 12, 14, 15. Equation is balanced. So this is the method of preparation of nitric acid by Ostwald process. Thank you.